Dear students, you're welcome on Learning with L&R, and today I would like to talk with you regarding panel discussion. It is the very good method of teaching, and by this method students learn deeply how to learn with the help of this method. Panel discussion is the method of teaching in which 4, 6 or 8 persons discuss the assigned topic, issue, problem creatively among themselves in front of a large audience. What are the purposes of panel discussion? First of all, when the person or when the student present in front of the large number of people, that time they gain the confidence. Students gain the confidence. It also provide information and new facts. This is the purpose of panel discussion. It also analyze current problem from different angles, because the 4, 6 or 8 members have different views on one topic. Identify the values, organize for mental recreation, influence audience to an open-minded attitude and respect for others' opinion, because maybe someone talk the positive point of the problem and some other one talk the negative point, but as a panelist, as a audience, we respect the ideas of the each person, stimulates thought and discussion and clarifies thinking. There are some types of panel discussion. First one, public panel discussion. Here, organized for common man problems. Like we can talk about unemployment, we can talk about the quality of education and many more, in which the common man involved. To provide factual information regarding current problems, to determine social values, to recreate common man. For example, educated unemployment. People have lots of qualification. They have done masters, but they are not employed anywhere. Increase in price of things. This is the also issue for the common man. Next one, educational panel discussion, used in educational institution or to provide factual information and conceptual knowledge, to give awareness of theories and principles, to provide solution of certain problems. In educational panel discussion, might be the experts or head of the school organize the panel discussion, or sometime the panel discussion organized for the students so that students can learn how to learn with the help of this method. There are types of members in panel discussion. With the help of image very nicely depict the pictures, how the audience, where the audience can sit, instructor or moderator. There is a table for panel discussion. One side there is an instructor who give the instructions to the panelists or for the topic, or in front of the instructor there is a moderator who make the balance between the discussion, and there are 2 panelists on one side and 2 on the other side in front of the audience. There is an instructor, moderator, panelists or audience. There is what is the work or responsibility of the instructor? Instructor plays an important role in panel discussion. Plans how, where and when discussion will be organized, prepare the schedule for discussion. The main organizer or the main important role done by the instructor. Moderator keep discussion on theme and encourages interaction among members. Moderator introduce the members and the discussion become on totally focused on the theme rather than the people discuss the another idea. Okay, one more thing, sometime one panelist is very dominate personality and another is not, and it is the responsibility of the moderator to balance the speech, balance the talk in between the panelists. He also summarizes and highlights the points. The moderator should have mastery on theme or problem on discussion. At the end of discussion, moderator summarizes and presents his point of view, or he expresses thanks to panelists or audience. If we talk about the panelists, there are 4 to 10 panelists are there. Members sit in a semicircle shape in front of audience. Moderator sits in between panelists. If there is 4 panelists, as we saw on the previous slide in the picture, there are 4 panelists, or the moderator sit in between, or the 2 panelists each side of the moderator. Members sit on semicircle, moderator sits in between. In middle of panelists, all panelists must have mastery of subject matter. Then audience are allowed to put question and seek clarification. They can put the question, but the question related to the topic of the panel discussion. They can present their viewpoints and experiences related to theme. Panelists can answer the question of the audience. Some situations moderator also tries to answer, because moderator also expert of that particular discussion. Characteristics of panel discussion. It used in college level to organize teaching at reflective level. It also developed problem solving ability of the participants or panelists. Helps to understand nature, problem or theme of discussion, because everyone give their idea deeply. Develop the ability to present theme logically. Develop attitude and ability to tolerate anti-ideas of others, because maybe if I am the panelist of the discussion, I have the positive attitude regarding any discussion or that particular problem, and maybe the person sitting besides me have the opposite ideas as compared to my idea. But as a panelist, I have to respect the thinking or the idea of the particular person. Helps critical thinking, develops putting questions and answering them. There are some advantages of panel discussion. It encourages social thinking. Person can think broadly on that particular topic, develop critical attitude and better judgment, develops to present quick exchange of facts and opinion. Respect other ideas and feeling, ability to tolerate. Different points of view on subject are presented by experts. In this way, the audience also learn many things regarding one topic. There are some disadvantages of panel discussion also have. Chances to deviate from theme. If the moderator is not capable or not much able to control the discussion, there are lots of chances to deviate the speech or talk from the theme. Some members may dominate And the moderator, if the moderator is weak in that condition, there is a time consuming, maybe some person, some people or the panelist go out of the track. Vague and superficial discussion if panel members lack mastery. If panel member doesn't have deep knowledge and doesn't have mastery on that particular topic, the discussion may be vague or superficial. The next is how to organize effective panel discussion. It should have rehearsal before panel discussion. Moderator should be matured person, have full understanding of theme or problem, have control over situation. Sitting arrangement should be good. Every member should be equal distance and observe each other. Encourage constructive discussion among panelists and audience. I hope you have clear with this.